How to fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, force stop SMS. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see app. Now search messages app. Now click on messages. Now here you will see force stop option, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop messages, force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open settings, search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Now here you will see do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache or clear data messages app. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on messages, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache or clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, messages data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset accessibility settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, reset accessibility settings from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.